What's going on, traders? Today might actually mark one of the biggest days in financial history. Let me explain. What we're going to do is we're going to look at this on a 1 year, 1 day time frame, the S&P 500. Are you guys ready? For those of you that follow my channel quite frequently and join in on our morning live streams, you may have noticed something different has happened to this channel just today. The S&P 500 has essentially gone into a downtrend. On the 1 year, 1 day time frame, the S&P 500 is now in a downtrend. And this is probably the first time we have seen this happen since 2007 and 2008. Now, for those of you that might be kind of confused on what I mean, this is what we're going to do. I am going to go back in time using the on-demand feature. So if you're on your home tab, you click right here and go to on-demand. That's going to allow you to go back in time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back in time. Excuse me, what did I just do there? There we go. So we're going to go back in time just a couple days. That way we can actually see that this was uptrending, and then today it's turned into a downtrend. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go back a couple days here. So let me show you that. So we go to the on-demand feature. We're going to go back a couple days. So we'll get all the way to 2020. All right. So let's go back to the beginning of May. Okay, so we're going to hit go. And then what should happen is we should be in the beginning of May. All right. And so now look at the chart. You see how the chart is green? You see what happened there? So all I did was go back, about a week and a half or so of this month. Went back a week and a half. And you can see that the statistical trend is uptrending. And we know it's uptrending because the way that this is custom coded is green when it's uptrending, in red when it's downtrending. And so what we have now just seen is today, the S&P 500 has now gone into a downtrend. This is a very significant signal, what we just got today. This is basically telling us the stock market's downtrending. Mind you, the Dow Jones has already been downtrending, okay? The 1 year chart has already been downtrending for the Dow Jones. The S&P, the Russell 2000 small cap index has already been downtrending this year, obviously. It's already been in a downtrend. The S&P 500 today just went into a downtrend. Very significant. And the leaders that are always holding up the market, the tech stocks, the big tech guys that keep ruling the world in the stock market, making everything go up, that's the NASDAQ here. That is still in a strong uptrend. So you can thank a lot of the NASDAQ here for propping up and keeping that market up as well. So this is going to take much more work to get this to shift into a downtrend. I couldn't tell you when that's going to happen, how exactly it's going to happen, if it will happen. But the significant thing today that happened is now we have the S&P 500 on a daily time frame in a downtrend. And that is very important, okay? Very significant. To me, that is signaling that we might have some more pain coming along, or to not be very bullish right now, okay? So even though it says it's downtrending, theoretically, we're in a range-bound move now, okay? So theoretically, we can see this market just trade sideways now for a little bit. So what I'm signaling here is we don't really want to be too bullish the market right now, given the fact that the 1 year time frame on the S&P 500 today is just kicked into a downtrend. So I wanted to come out and make this video as like a public service announcement to let everybody know that that is in fact what happened today. That way you can be aware of what's actually statistically taking place. This is statistical trend over the past year. These lines are calculating statistics from all past trading days, price points, where they bounce, where they sell. And today, statistically speaking, it is telling us we are now downtrending. Very, very important. Hope you guys like the video. Hope that it brings awareness to you. Hope you guys like it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Everybody, take care.